Welcome to my kitchen, dear ones. Today we are making my favorite cookies. First, we take 200 grams, or 7 ounces, of soft butter and half a cup of sugar. Mix it well until it's nice and creamy. Now crack in one fresh egg. By the way, where in the world are you watching from today? Tell me in the comments. Next goes a quarter cup or 60 milliliters of vegetable oil. This makes the cookies extra light and cloud-like. Do you usually bake with butter or oil? Time for the dry ingredients. Sift in 3.5 cups, or about 450 grams, of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add the flour slowly. Look at this texture. It's soft, smooth, and doesn't stick to the hands at all. If you like this recipe, please give it a like and subscribe for more. Now, just roll them into little balls. It's so simple, isn't it? Make a small well and fill it with jam. I'm using my homemade plum and apple mix, but any favorite jam works perfectly. Once they're out, sprinkle some shredded coconut on top. It looks just like fresh snow, simple and so pretty. Just look how crumbly they are. See you in the next one, my dears.